Hey everyone, welcome to our third weekly AI news video of this July month. In this video, we will talk about several advancements, some controversies, and some new AI tools which came out this week. So without wasting any time, let's start. Our first news is coming from OpenAI. OpenAI has introduced a smaller version of its AI model called GPT-4o Mini, which powers ChatGPT. This smaller model is faster, uses less energy, and is easier to work with, making it a great option for developers to build AI-powered chatbots and tools. Now, another news coming from OpenAI. Whistleblowers are accusing OpenAI of using overly restrictive contracts, NDAs, that silence employees and prevent them from speaking out about potential wrongdoing, like unethical AI development or workplace issues. Essentially, they're saying OpenAI is using these contracts to gag employees and keep secrets hidden. Our next news is from Meta. Meta has temporarily stopped its AI tools that generate images, videos, and text in Brazil. This is because the Brazilian government asked Meta to pause these tools due to concerns about their potential misuse, such as creating fake or misleading content. What do you think about this? Tell me in the comments. Similarly, another news coming from Meta. Meta is planning to develop new AI models that are specifically designed for the European Union (EU) market. These models will be tailored to meet the EU's regulations and guidelines for AI, such as privacy, security, and transparency. Now, our next news is from YouTube Music. Currently, YouTube Music is trying out two new features. First one is AI-generated radio. This feature uses artificial intelligence to create personalized radio stations based on your favorite songs or artists. Second one is Song Recognition Tool. This feature can identify songs playing around you, like Shazam, and help you find them on YouTube Music. Now let's talk about our next news, which is quite shocking. Apple and Nvidia used over 100,000 YouTube videos to train their AI systems. This means they copied and analyzed these videos to help their AI learn and improve. It's like gathering a huge library of videos to teach AI how to understand and generate content. This act is totally against YouTube policies, and it is unfair for creators who made all these videos. Now, let's talk about our next news, which is coming from Google's AI assistant, Gemini. Gemini can now answer general questions directly from the Android lock screen without needing to unlock the device. This update allows users to quickly access information like weather, news, or more, while still maintaining security and privacy. The feature can be turned on or off in settings and is rolling out to users in phases. Our next news is from Anthropic AI, which recently launched its Android app in Google Play Store. I tested this app and noticed several features are not available that are available in the web version of Anthropic AI chatbot. For example, you are not able to use the new artifact feature in the newly launched Android app, which is pretty disappointing. Another news coming from Anthropic. Both Anthropic AI and Menlo Ventures are partnering to create a $100 million fund to invest in AI startups. This means they will provide money and support to new companies working on innovative AI projects, helping them grow and develop their ideas. The goal is to accelerate AI advancements and create new technologies that benefit society. Next news from Microsoft. Microsoft has released a new app, similar to Canva, that uses AI to help users create professional-looking designs and graphics. The app is now available on both iOS and Android devices. Another news from Microsoft. The UK government is investigating Microsoft because it hired the founders and employees of a company called Inflection AI, a company that developed a personal chatbot, Pi AI, which can be accessed in WhatsApp. If you want to use that Pi AI chatbot, then you can check out my article below in the description, or you can watch my video in the I button. The government wants to make sure that Microsoft's hiring didn't give it too much power in the AI market and limit competition. In other words, they're checking if Microsoft's actions were fair and didn't hurt other companies. A company called Artificial Agency is working on making video game characters, NPCs, smarter and more realistic using AI. This will make video games more immersive and engaging, allowing players to interact with NPCs in a more natural and realistic way. Our next news coming from Proton, a company known for its privacy-focused services, has launched a new AI-powered writing assistant for email that prioritizes user privacy. Here's what it does. Offers suggestions and completions for emails. Runs locally on the user's device, not in the cloud. Now Spotify has introduced a new AI-powered DJ named Livy, who speaks Spanish and can create personalized music experiences for users. Livy can curate playlists based on users' preferences, introduce songs and artists in Spanish, and share fun facts and insights about the music. Recently, Tinder has introduced a new AI-powered tool that helps users select their best photos to increase their chances of getting matches. The tool, called Photo Expert, uses AI to analyze users' photos and recommend the ones that are most likely to attract matches. Now our next news is coming from Disney. Hackers have claimed to have stolen Disney data in protest against the company's use of AI-generated artwork. The hackers, who call themselves Team Ultra Magazine, object to Disney's use of AI to create artwork, saying it threatens human jobs and creativity. Disney has confirmed the data breach, but has not commented on the hackers' demands. Our next news is from Sandro, a French fashion brand. Sandro has introduced an AI-powered tool to help customers find their ideal clothing size. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze body measurements, fit preferences, and shopping history to recommend the perfect size for each customer. Our last news is from Mistral AI, which is an open source competitor of OpenAI. Mistral AI has recently released CodeStraw Mamba, a new large language model, LLM, for code generation, which offers several advantages over existing models like faster response time, longer context handling, and multi-language support including Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript, Bash, Swift, and Fortran. And that's all for this week's AI news. If you're liking this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. Also, don't forget to visit our website, aintensity.com, for more exciting content and new tools in our tools section. Thanks for watching.